Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the digital tools that can elevate your small business to new heights. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Android app reviews and how they can make or break your business. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, having a mobile app for your small business has become essential. But it's not just about creating an app, it's also about getting those precious reviews that can skyrocket your business's success. The first one is the power of reviews. Let's start by understanding why Android app reviews matter. Reviews are like a virtual handshake between your business and your customers. They build trust and credibility. Positive reviews can drive more customers to your app and, subsequently, your business. On the flip side, negative reviews can turn potential customers away. The next one is how to encourage reviews. So, how can you encourage more reviews for your Android app? Here are some practical tips. The first one is in-app prompts. In-app prompts. This app implements subtle prompts within your app to remind users to leave a review when they've had a positive experience. The next one is timing is key. Timing is key. Ask for reviews when users have just accomplished something significant within your app, increasing the chances of a positive review. The next one is offer incentives. Offer incentives. Consider offering discounts or rewards to users who leave reviews. Just make sure to follow platform guidelines. The next one is managing and responding to reviews. Once the reviews start pouring in, it's vital to manage and respond to them promptly. The first one is engage with positives. Engage with positives. Thank users for their positive feedback and let them know you value their support. The next one is address negatives. Address negatives. Don't ignore negative reviews. Respond professionally, offering solutions and showing your commitment to customer satisfaction. The next one is tools and platforms. There are various tools and platforms that can help you manage and optimize your Android app reviews. Some popular choices include the following. The first one is Google Play Console. Google Play Console. This platform allows you to track reviews, reply to users, and gain insights into your app's performance. The next one is third-party review management tools. Third-party review management tools. Tools like AppFollow and App Annie can help you monitor and analyze reviews across multiple platforms. The next one is case studies. To truly understand the impact of Android app reviews on small businesses, let's look at a few real-world case studies. We'll examine how reviews help businesses grow and overcome challenges. Android app reviews are not just about stars and ratings. They are a powerful tool that can shape the success of your small business. Embrace them, engage with your users, and watch your business thrive.
Please, if you enjoy this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So that, whenever I post a new video, YouTube will notify you and send you a notification. Thanks for watching.